Hey there, foodies and kitchen wizards. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other? Join us on a journey through the latest and greatest in kitchen tech, the best induction cooktop of 2024. Imagine this, effortlessly whipping up your favorite meals with lightning fast precision, all while saving energy and space in your kitchen. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality. We're talking sleek designs, intuitive controls, and rapid heating capabilities that'll have you cooking up a storm in no time. Say goodbye to waiting for ages for your pots and pans to heat up. With these induction cooktops, you'll be cooking like a pro in seconds flat. But wait, there's more. Say hello to safety features that'll give you peace of mind while you're busy in the kitchen. From automatic shutoff functions to child lock settings, these cooktops have got your back. I've listed my top picks for you, so you can find the perfect match for your culinary adventures. And don't worry about breaking the bank. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Discover the warmth of innovation and convenience with the best induction cooktop of 2024 today. Number 5. Empava 30-inch Induction Cooktop. Looking for the best reliable, efficient, and sleek addition to your kitchen? Then consider this one. The smooth vitro-ceramic glass surface makes cleanup a breeze, and it's built tough to handle high heat without cracking or chipping. Plus, it's compatible with most stainless steel and cast iron cookware. Safety first, folks. The hot surface indicator lets you know when it's too hot to touch, and the pan size sensor ensures efficient and safe cooking. And with the child control lock feature, you can cook with peace of mind. Cleanup, easy peasy. The surface is resistant to stains and heat discoloration, so spills won't ruin your day. And with 9 heat level settings, you've got precise control over your cooking. This bad boy comes with 4 different heating elements, ranging from 1800 to 2700 watts, so you can cook up a storm in no time. Plus, the digital control and timer make cooking a breeze. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop. If you're after the best efficiency and convenience in the kitchen, I recommend giving this buddy induction cooktop a try. It's a game changer, trust me. This sleek black cooktop heats up a whopping 40% faster than your typical stove, so you can whip up meals in no time. With flexible controls and a handy display, you can choose your heat level from 1 to 10 or cook at precise temperatures in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Boiling water? Ain't nobody got time for that. This bad boy can get you from 0 to boil in just 7 minutes. Talk about a time saver. And don't worry about pan sizes. This cooktop can handle anything from small saucepans to large frying pans and stock pots. It's like having an extra burner whenever you need it. Plus, it comes with an induction test magnet to make sure your cookware is good to go. If it sticks, you're ready to cook. Number 3. Duxtop LCD Portable Induction Cooktop, and this stands out as the best versatility and convenience in the kitchen. This sleek stainless steel cooktop features 2 independent heating zones, each easily adjustable with the LCD display screen. Plus, it runs on standard 120 volts, so it's perfect for North American homes. Safety first. The child safety lock system keeps little ones protected, while the touch control panel makes operation a breeze. And cleanup? No problem. Just wipe it down with a damp towel. Whether you prefer power mode or temperature mode, this cooktop has you covered with 20 preset levels per mode. From frying to steaming, it's got the perfect setting for every cooking task. And let's talk about energy efficiency. With no wasted energy on a heating element, this cooktop delivers fast heating without the waste. Plus, the power sharing feature ensures efficiency while avoiding electrical overload. Compatible with a wide range of cookware, from cast iron to stainless steel, this induction cooker is perfect for home and outdoor cooking alike. And with its lightweight and attractive design, it's a winner in any kitchen. Number 2. New Wave Precision. When it comes to the best programmable functions, this is my top choice. With 51 pre-programmed temperature settings, you can easily find the perfect temperature for any dish, from delicate sauces to sizzling steaks. Let's talk about safety first. The shatterproof ceramic glass surface ensures peace of mind, while the automatic shutoff feature prevents accidents. Plus, with no hot coils or open flames, the risk of burns is greatly reduced. Adjust on the fly with ease. Whether you need to increase the temperature or extend the cooking time, it's as simple as pushing a button. And with precise temperature control up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve perfect grilling and searing every time. Hey, this buddy is perfect for dorms, RVs, and anywhere with limited power. The New Wave Precision is lightweight and portable, yet powerful enough to cook any meal. And with its slim design and superior insulation technology, you can enjoy fast and even heating without any hot or cold spots. Number 1. New Wave Pro Chef. Finally, here's my top pick for the best overall. Adjust your cooking temperature on the fly with ease. No need to start over. Plus, with 94 pre-programmed temperature settings, you'll always find the perfect heat for any dish. Guess what? From keeping sauces warm to grilling the perfect steak, this cooktop gives you precise temperature control up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety first. The shatterproof ceramic glass surface is NSF certified, ensuring durability and peace of mind. And with its high-quality construction, it's built to perform even in professional kitchens. Cook faster and more efficiently with Pro Chef's superior technology, which transfers up to 90% of its energy to heat. Plus, its slim design and insulation technology ensure even heating with no hot or cold spots. Whether you're cooking in a dorm, RV, or professional kitchen, the New Wave Pro Chef is lightweight, portable, and versatile. With its 3 wattage settings, it's perfect for any setting, even when power is limited. Alrighty, folks. That wraps up our journey through the best induction cooktop of 2024. Now you're all set to revolutionize your cooking game with these amazing appliances. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow foodies, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy cooking, and until next time, stay awesome.